Okay, so back here with question number 4 on homework number 1, we're trying to show that these points give us an equilateral triangle. So if you want, you can draw this out, but it's going to be pretty easy to show algebraically. All we have to do is show that the three side lengths, so the distance between A and B, is equal to the distance between A and C is equal to the distance between B and C. So all we have to do is calculate those three things. So this right here is going to be equal to the square root of, so that's 5 minus 7 squared, because we're looking at the x1 and the x2, plus negative 2 minus negative 2 minus 0 squared plus negative 1 minus 3 squared. And this guy right here is going to be equal to, I'm just going to write this a little bit lower so I have some more space to write here. And this guy is going to be equal to the distance between A and C, so we're going to do 5 minus 9 squared, and then we're going to add 2 minus, or negative 2 minus negative 4 squared, and then we're going to do negative 1 minus 1 plus negative 1 minus 1 squared. And for BC, we're going to have a similar thing of 7 minus 9 squared from those guys, and then 0 minus negative 4 plus 0 minus negative 4 squared, plus 3 minus 1 squared. So we want to check, are these guys equal? And so if we plug this guy in here, we get this right here is this right here is 2 squared, or negative 2 squared, plus negative 2 squared, plus negative 4 squared. And this guy right here, which actually just finish this off, so that's going to be equal to the square root of 4 plus 4 plus 16 is equal to root 28. This guy right here is going to be equal to negative 4 squared, and then this guy is going to be equal, negative 2 minus negative 4 is equal to just regular old 2 squared, and this guy is also going to be equal to, so this guy's going to be negative 2 squared, which is going to be the same thing in the end, and then this guy right here is going to be equal to negative 2 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 squared. And if you see, so this guy, if you add everything up, is also just going to be 4, 4, and 16, all under the square root. And this guy is also going to be 4 plus square root of 4 plus 4 plus 16. And now these guys are all equal to root 28, so